Okay, this is part 2 of my unboxing video. I got it out of the box because I had difficulties with doing it. So, here's the back of it. It shows it right here that you're going to need it exclusively for the Xbox One. If you try to get one later on, you're going to have to make sure it's an Xbox One. The other Traptanium Portals will not work for it. And then I'll show the figures, or they fit pretty. It's a pretty big portal, the Traptanium Portal, so you can fit those and have guest characters to showcase how big it is. It can fit giants even, so it's very big compared to the Swap Force one. So there's that. Put that aside. Then I want to show really quick. See if I can do it. Oops, there we go. And here's a comparison of Swap Force Portal versus Traptanium Portal. And oh, I forgot to do it, like, so you can see with Spyrise and like Bouncer or like Snapshot, so it'll fit about 3, but with here you can fit about 4. So that gives an idea of it's bigger where it'll fit. Well, probably a smaller one, but doesn't need that many. It's just a matter of showcasing how big it is. Alright, and then I'll show really quick the traps and the case. And so then you have this where you can put your life trap and your water trap right in any of the slots for the ones that you get for water. That's where you're gonna want to put them when you get the villains. And then here's the casing, and I got it opened where there's the CD case right there. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can comment. If you want to see more, you can subscribe, like, anything else you want to know, you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.